A federal judge ultimately dismissed Warren's case against Governor DeSantis, who suspended him last year, but his fight might not be over just yet. The federal judge says even though he won't reinstate Warren, he says Governor Ron DeSantis did violate his First Amendment rights. Warren's team just spoke on this at a law office in Tampa. That's where 10 Tampa Bay's Megan Myers joins us with what he's now arguing. Meg.
Well, Andrew Warren did not take any questions from reporters. He did share a statement where he says that he believes DeSantis suspended him not because of anything that was right, but simply because of politics. He then finished things off by saying that this isn't over, calling out DeSantis.
Let's see if the governor actually believes in the rule of law. Let's see if the governor actually is a man of his word. Let's see what kind of man the governor actually is. The governor is supposed to represent all Floridians. And if he wants to represent all Americans, then this is a golden opportunity for him to show our country what kind of man he truly is.
Now take a look at these documents. The federal judge's filing was 59 pages long. Obviously, a lot to read through and a lot of information here, but we do want to share that he started off by saying that he does believe Warren's rights were violated initially when DeSantis first suspended him back in August. But that is not all. He also says that he believes DeSantis would have suspended Warren even if the First Amendment violation didn't happen. We spoke to a law professor at Stetson University who helped to break all of this down for us. Professor Louis Varelli says that he believes the problem is that the federal court found two equally likely violations for why Warren was suspended. One of those falls into the category of federal law, and the other falls into state law.
The federal court found that Governor DeSantis did two things wrong. He suspended Andrew Warren for what he said, which is a violation of the First Amendment. He also suspended him for being a Democrat, which is a violation of the Florida Constitution. The problem for the federal judge is when state law becomes part of the problem, he loses the ability to reinstate Andrew Warren because he's not allowed to fix a state law violation.
Now, we did reach out to Governor DeSantis' team for a comment on all of this. We reached out this morning and then again later this afternoon. As of right now, we have not heard back from them, but of course you can count on 10 Tampa Bay to keep you updated once we hear back. Reporting live in downtown Tampa, Megan Myers, 10 Tampa Bay.
Warren's team has a few options on where to go from here, but they'll likely take their case to state court. We'll let you know what they decide. Thank you, Meg. The ongoing battle between the governor and the suspended state attorney goes way back to August of last year. To read the entire court document, you can visit 10tampabay.com.